Have you signed up for PostScan Mail's virtual mailbox service and need to submit your USPS 1583 form? Follow this tutorial to get started. First, what is a USPS Form 1583? The USPS Form 1583 is a form required by the United States Postal Service so a commercial mail receiving agency, like PostScan Mail, can legally accept mail for you. It verifies your identity and authorizes us as your mail handler. You can submit your 1583 form in 3 ways. 1. Use an online notary partner, such as notarylive.com. 2. Upload a pre-filled 1583 form through our online portal. 3. Submit to your local store via mail. Using Notary Live. PostScan Mail has partnered with Notary Live to make the notarization process quick and seamless. To notarize your 1583 with Notary Live, simply log into your PostScan Mail account from your mobile app or desktop. Then, from your inbox, click on the red banner at the top to begin the process. Next, you will want to select the blue Fill out your USPS 1583 form button and check off which recipient you would like to receive mail on behalf of. For most customers, this is the name of their business or LLC. Filling out the form. Next, you will want to fill in the blank fields in the form. Details such as your full name, address ID type, photo ID type, and date of birth are required. The acceptable forms of address ID include the following: a U.S. driver's license or U.S. state non-driver's ID card, a current lease, a home or vehicle insurance policy, a voter registration card, a vehicle registration card, or a mortgage or deed of trust. For the photo ID portion, the following can be accepted: a U.S. driver's license or U.S. state non-driver's ID card, a uniformed service ID, a U.S. passport, U.S. passport card, or foreign passport, a certificate of naturalization, a U.S. access card, a matricula consular, a U.S. permanent resident card, a U.S. university ID card, or a Nexus card. Note that the same type of ID cannot be used for both the address and photo category. Confirming business information. On the next screen, you will be asked to confirm your assigned address location for your business. Review each field to make sure it is accurate. Using notarylive.com. This is the point where you will access notarylive.com to register an account and join a live session with a notary to verify your identification documents. To start the process, click on the blue onlinenotary.net button and then select Click Here to start the online notary session. From there, you will be asked to do a device quality check and be routed to a live notary to verify your documents. Make sure you are in a quiet, well-lit place so your documents can be easily read. Uploading a pre-filled 1583 form. An alternate option you can choose if you do not wish to use the online notary service is to upload a pre-filled 1583 form using our portal. If you choose this option, you must make sure the form is notarized prior to upload by a local notary. For this option, simply click on Upload Notarized 1583 Form and complete the requested fields. You will be asked to upload a photocopy of both your photo and address IDs. What's next? Once you submit your form using Notary Live or via a pre-filled document, we take care of the rest. Your form is submitted to your assigned store address location for review and processing. The typical time for processing is between 2 and 3 business days. Got questions about the process? Contact our support team at 800-624-5866. Thank you for joining PostScan Mail.